Short video here, guys. This is my NTI TI100 that I put in 2009. The other day, it was all calling for heat, but there was no fire. The fan was full blast. You can hear the fan going full blast, but it was not firing. And the other thing that I noticed was that the main circulator pump wasn't running, even though all the other pumps, it was calling for heat, and the other pumps that are here were actually going. So the main circulator pump, the main symptoms were main circulator pump wasn't going, no fire. There was also no lights over on the sentry. So I didn't know exactly what was going on, but what I ended up doing was I actually tested over next to the sentry with all the wiring here, and at the bottom you can see the black lines, and that was hot, and one of those black lines actually goes to the sentry, and that was hot, but the sentry was not lighting up. So I said to myself, maybe the sentry's bad. So I ordered a new sentry and I put it in, and there's another video somewhere else on how to program it, but I won't steal somebody else's thunder there. But sure enough, the sentry was bad, and this fired up immediately as soon as I put it in. Now the sentry, in order to take it out, there's 3 bolts on the flanges, 1 and then 2 on the other side here, and then there's a couple of clips here. They just press in and pull out nice and easy, and then there's the big clip, hang on the other side there, the white clip right there. Just press the tabs in and pull it out. So that was actually a relatively easy install, but not cheap version of part starts. And sure enough, this one doesn't light up. Oh yeah, the other thing is ACT. So on here, A is black. A is the black line. B are the grounds, I believe, the common, the green, and then T would be red line. So, in case you're actually all day, right there on the sentry. So, she's going. She fired. We now have heat. It's February. You know, what are the odds? This has been great for many years now. It's put in 09. It's 2024. I think I've replaced 1 sensor so far. I've had this apart once, but by and large, I mean, you can hear it. Everything's running very, very smooth, and minimal issues here. So, love it, and I really enjoyed this boiler. It's quiet. It does what it needs to do. And it's a shame that part went, but the part is available. It actually came from Canada, and picked it up brand new off of eBay. The retail on it is like $900 for that part. I think I got it for about $500. So shame that it's that expensive, but you know, overall this has been really, really good, and it still functions very smooth. So very happy. And that's all I got for you guys today. Thanks for watching. And I know I haven't made videos in a while, but I appreciate everybody, and maybe we'll get back to it one of these days. Have a good one, guys.